Hey guys, Natalie Jill here today with Super Sister Fitness, and I'm going to be showing you two of my favorite stability ball moves that you can do anywhere. Make sure you check out the workout and then subscribe below. All right, I'm going to show you some of my favorite stability ball exercises today, and these are awesome because you can do them, work your whole body with stability ball, but what I like is it up levels your entire body weight workout. So what I'm going to show you is two of my favorite combo moves today. One of them is going to be for abs and the other one for glutes. So all you need is a stability ball. I'm using one that has sand in it. The sand doesn't really add anything to it other than it just helps it from not rolling away. So I'm going to start with one I do for abs. This is one of my favorite combo moves. So you'll go to a plank position, your feet on the ball. Now to make it harder, up on your toes will make it more challenging, or you can keep it up on your feet. Now holding it here in itself in a plank position is work. But watch this combo move by holding it here, tucking it in, out, and then up to a pike, and then back out. It's a mini combo move, but it is super intense, works your whole core. It's a functional move, works your whole body actually, but oh, you really get your abs in these. Just like this. Now people always say, what's the magic number? How long should I go? There's no magic number. Time or rep set, it's whatever's intense for you as long as you're progressing. Whew, is for your glutes. So this one we're gonna take it to our back. So you're gonna lay down on the mat, feet up on the ball, right here. And then we've got a mini glute bridge, which is up to here, rolling it out and in and back down. This one not only works your glutes, but it works what I call your butt thigh. It's that area between your hamstrings and your glutes. You'll feel this is intense. So it's up, out, in, and down, just like that. Works everything. Super easy. What I love about stability balls, you can do it anywhere. Works your whole body. So although there's no magic number or rep, you want to do what's intense for you, always thinking about, can I progress, can I make it more challenging? A great place to start is timing it 20 seconds on and then taking a rest and then repeating it. If you want to learn more, subscribe below so you can check out more on this channel. You can also find me over at nataliejillfitness.com.